Welcome back. Today I am making my pumpkin patch soap. I love this soap. The base is pretty simple, so I am taking a brown and a white, and I am going to mix them together in the pot swirl. The fragrance that I use will turn brown, so the white should help give me a dark brown, light brown variation when I cut the bar. I am just going to pour that into the mold, and that will be my base for the pumpkin patch. Once I get that in, I am going to then do another layer. So the base layer is about 3/4 of the soap and the rest will be about 1/4. I have mixed up a green, and as you can see, it's in a piping bag, and I am using the tip Wilton 233, and I just kind of drop the strings onto the top so that it gives a grass-like look. You don't have to do this. You could just pour a straight green layer on top. This is kind of an added step and definitely takes more time, but I love the effect that it gives, so I go ahead and pipe the top. Once the top is piped, then I'm going to place all those pumpkins that you see. If you missed it, you can go back and catch the video on how I made all of the pumpkins. I will provide the link below, and if I remember, tag it up top. So I have 2 pumpkins per bar. I did pink, not pink. I did orange, a couple different variations in color, yellow and white. I am then using a dark green to kind of create vines that attach all of the pumpkins. To do those vines, I use the Wilton tip 5. From there, I am going to swap out tips and use the Wilton tip 352, which is the leaf tip, and I will pipe leaves on all the pumpkins. It just gives a fun little added extra effect.